Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view network activity by traffic type or host in glassWire. glassWire is a powerful network monitoring tool that allows you to see which app, host and traffic types are using your internet connection in real time. So if you want to understand exactly where the internet data is going and which services are consuming, and with glassWire provides an easy visual way to track. In this guide, I'll show you how to view network activity by traffic type or the host step by step. First, go to the search and type down glassWire and open to your glassWire here. Once you reach into this glassWire interface, you can simply view the activity by the traffic type over here inside the usage section. Over here, you can also select to this host here. And next, when you switch into this host, you can view in the same usage section. This displays the website, service, or the remote addresses your computer has connected to. You can sort the list by the data usage to identify which hosts are consuming the most bandwidth from the top over here. And that is it. Using the usage tab, traffic type, or the host, you can quickly understand where your internet traffic is going and identify every data usage sources, helping you monitor and manage your network more effectively. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.